Streaming is an incredibly fantastic way to create content. Getting online and broadcasting oneself to the rest of the world has never been easier. In this video, we'll take you through the process of becoming a streamer. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. If you've spent any time on the internet in the last several years, whether on YouTube, social media, or just surfing the web, you've probably come across the term streamer or streaming. While streaming is commonly associated with on-demand video viewing on platforms such as Netflix and YouTube, it has other meanings. In truth, streamers worldwide spend their days earning money and having fun with an ever-expanding community of devoted viewers. With the popularity of streaming growing year after year and more streamers from all walks of life joining the fray, there's never been a better moment to dive in and learn what it's all about. However, you'll need to know the answer to one fundamental question: who is a streamer? According to Merriam-Webster, streaming is the act, process, or an instance of streaming data or of accessing data that is being streamed. Also, streaming is when you use your internet connection on your phone, computer, gaming console, or other devices to get immediate access to a service without waiting for it to download. Watching movies and TV shows on Netflix, Facebook, looking at food recipe videos on YouTube, listening to the latest Drake album on Spotify, and so on are all examples of streaming. Now, a streamer is someone who supplies you with that streaming service directly. They execute an action on screen, record it in real time, and broadcast it live on the internet for you to see without having to wait for downloads. Furthermore, many broadcasters record or preserve material from their live streams so that anyone who missed the stream live can watch it at their leisure afterward. Streamers and their fans do this on various platforms, including Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Mixer, and others. You may be wondering, why do people become streamers? It is essential to know that there are millions of streamers in use worldwide. There are particular reasons why they stream for all of them. One of the most prevalent reasons is showing those videos of their hobby, such as playing video games, is something they wish to share with others. You should also note that not all video game streamers, for example, are professional players capable of winning competitions. Though there are many of those out there, some people want to use the platform to build a positive community and establish lifetime connections. One of the most common questions asked about streaming is whether or not it's possible to make a living from it. Yes. But like with any budding sector, it all depends on a variety of circumstances. For starters, it is necessary to have a strong desire and commitment to get to a place where you can earn a steady income. The amount of money a streamer makes monthly varies greatly. By playing 40 hours per week, the average professional streamer earns between $3,000 and $5,000 per month. Ad revenue per 100 subscribers will be around $2.50 or $3.50 per 1,000 views for more distinct streams. On Twitch, for example, you'll need about 500 regular viewers to start making money. One of the things to consider before you ever broadcast your first frame online is the pre-production stage. These components aren't necessary for getting online, but they are required to take streaming seriously and attract an audience. Though video games are currently the most popular kind of streaming, they are not the only ones. If you aren't a gamer or want to take a break from gaming, there are still plenty of options available to you. Many broadcasters enjoy engaging in conversations with their audience. Now, many streamers give makeup instructions, demonstrate how they do their makeup, and recommend product sources. Several streamers will cook every night or once a week, demonstrating various dishes of varying degrees of complexity for you to try at home. Many streamers will live stream themselves painting, drawing, making digital artwork, and more. There are also some musicians and singers who perform live on the internet. There are podcasts where groups of people discuss a variety of topics. There are also streams dedicated to humor, reading, writing, and a variety of other issues. Next, we will be going over what you'll need to begin. Of course, you'll need some equipment depending on if you want to stream for a living or simply for pleasure. To begin, you'll need an account on the many platforms where you want to stream, such as Twitch, YouTube, and others. You'll need some essential equipment once you've created an account. If you have an Xbox One or PS4 video game console, that's fantastic. You'll be able to broadcast with ease. You will need to have a good headset and an additional camera to display your face. Having a gaming computer or laptop is even easier than using a gaming console. Softwares such as OBS and Shadowplay enable you to stream directly from your screen without using any extra devices. On the other hand, if you don't want to talk or show your face in your stream, you can stream live from those two consoles without additional equipment. However, you should have a microphone to communicate with your visitors or viewers so that they do not become bored and leave. It gets a little more complex from there because you'll need to invest some money to get started. You'll need a capture card if you want to broadcast PS4 and Xbox One games in 4K or stream the latest Nintendo Switch game. Avermedia and Elgato are the top brands for this. If you don't have the funds to purchase the best equipment right now, starting with the essentials is advisable. However, once you've established your community and specialty, you should start investing in better microphones, cameras, tripods, lighting, and other equipment to make your streams more authentic. Now let us examine the platforms where you can stream your content. If you're new to streaming, it can be pretty tricky to figure out where you should start. Although Twitch is the most popular site for broadcasting games, there are advantages to alternative platforms such as Mixer, where competition is less intense. That being said, below is a comprehensive list of streaming services that we recommend you investigate for your potential streaming residence. We have Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, IBM Cloud Video, formerly Ustream, Periscope, and Bambusser. Do you want to become a steamer? Please give us your answer and reasons in the comments section below. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.